In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter in Excel by color. Let's get right into it. Whether you're organizing a project, managing inventory, or analyzing survey results, filtering by color in Excel can help you quickly highlight and sort your data based on visual cues. Especially useful for those who rely on color coding to categorize information, this approach can significantly speed up your workflow. First things first, to access Excel for this tutorial, you'll need to visit Microsoft 365 Online. It's a handy platform that allows you to use Excel for free, right from your web browser. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. So go ahead and click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. If you don't already have an account, now would be a good time to create one. After logging in, you're going to want to either open an existing Excel file from your library or create a new one. For the purposes of this guide, I'll be using a pre-existing file that I've prepared in advance, filled with data that's been conveniently color-coded for our filtering exercise. Once your file is open, locate the column that contains the color-coded cells you wish to filter. It's important to note here that Excel allows you to filter by the color of the cell background or the color of the font, giving you flexibility depending on how your data is organized. Next, we're going to navigate to the Data tab on the toolbar. This tab is your gateway to numerous data manipulation tools in Excel, including the Sort and Filter group, which is what we're interested in today. Within the Sort and Filter group, click on Custom Sort. This opens a dialog box that provides more detailed sorting options than what's available directly on the ribbon. It's here that you can specify exactly how you want to sort your data, in our case, by color. Upon clicking Custom Sort, you'll be presented with several options. Look for the Sort On drop-down menu. This is where you tell Excel what criteria to use when sorting your data. By default, it might be set to Values, but we're going to change it to Cell Color. After setting it to sort by cell color, the next step is to specify which color you want to sort by. Excel will display the colors present in the selected column. Pick the one you want to start with if you have multiple colors and are aiming for a specific order. For those with data categorized by color in multiple ways, you might need to repeat the sort operation for each color. Excel allows you to add levels to your sort criteria, so you can sort by one color, then another, and so on to get your data exactly how you want it. Once you've selected your color and confirmed your sorting preferences, all that's left is to click OK. Excel will then reorganize your data according to the color selections you've made, either grouping all similarly colored cells together or ordering them in the sequence you specified. And there you have it. You've successfully filtered your Excel sheet by color. This technique is incredibly useful for quick overviews and analyses, especially in visually driven projects. Remember, Excel's filtering capabilities are extensive and can be tailored to suit a wide range of needs, so don't hesitate to experiment with different filters and sorting options to best manage and interpret your data. Thank you for joining me on this tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just starting out, I hope you found these instructions helpful. Excel's color filtering feature is just one of many powerful tools at your disposal to make your data work for you. Happy sorting, and see you in the next video.